Good morning, folks. Today I've got a 1991 Mazda Miata 5-speed with me today. 91 is a great year for them. It's an early 91, probably was ordered when they were brand new and still coming out. These cars were hard to get when they came out. Anyway, I wanted to do a cold start video for you guys. So, yeah, it says it's hot, but it's not. And I'll just do a little walk around too and show you it's still got all the factory stickers. 48,000 mile car, 2-owner, beautiful little car. All right, let's get it going. The radio works great, but it does have some fading here on the screen, as you can see. Air conditioning blows cold. Here we go. Oil pressure immediately comes up. It's great. No strange noises coming from the engine bay. Did just put regular Castrol GTX conventional 1030 in it with a new filter. Everything works in the car. Air conditioning blows ice cold, but as you know, it's like throwing an anchor out when you turn it on. Top has been replaced at some point. The top is very nice. It does have a little bit of glue residue there in the back. It can be touched up. Panels. Walk around. Has a really nice set of Continental control contact touring tires on it. I believe that they're 4 years old. I'll take a picture of the date code and post it up. Car is all original paint. It's never had any paint work or body work done to it. Those in the know realize it's a single stage paint, so if you start rubbing on it hard, your rubbing cloth turns red. Fans work like they're supposed to. Car does have a brand new Exity OEM clutch in it, along with a clutch slave. When I got it, I knew the clutch was out. That's the problem with the car, and other than that, there are zero problems. Beautiful little car. Thank you.